Hi viewers, today let us see how to register in at penhouse.in website. Please go to my account and just click create an account. Here, please provide your personal information. You provide first name and as well as last name because both fields are mandatory. And provide your email ID and keep your desired password. Let me give you a sample password. Click the captcha and once reCAPTCHA is verified and click create account. A password will be mailed for your account also. And again, you provide your default billing address. Mention the street address and address extension, the city, and as well as the state. Don't forget to provide your mobile number and add the pin code. This is a mandatory information because with this pin code only, the product transport cost will be estimated. If you have GST number, please enter here. And if you are working in a company and if you want to use the bill invoice for GST claiming, you need to provide the company name also and save this one. Normally, whatever billing address you provide will be copied to shipping address also. If you want to change the shipping address separately, you can add a different shipping address, or else you can add multiple number of addresses. While ordering, you want to select the address and you want to do the checkout. So hope in this video you are very clear on creating an account and adding the address information.